Premiere Pro fonts suck, okay? They suck ass. Some of them are okay, but most of them just suck, okay? So how do you download fonts? Because you want your videos to pop, okay? I know you want that, I want that too. So head on to any site which has fonts, okay? Make sure it's a legit site. I trust you, you're smart, I know you can do it, blah, 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 blah. Head on to the site, download them, okay? So I've just downloaded them, I've got a zip file, I'm going to open it, and you want to press the true type font file, okay? Double click on that, open it up, you have install or print, you want install, press that. I already have them because I'm a Mr. Beast connoisseur really, and then I'm going to replace it anyway, actually. I'm going to replace it. I'm good to you. I'll replace it. It's now been downloaded onto my computer, okay? Then head up into Premiere Pro, and then if you look at your fonts, you will have Comica Access, or whichever one you've just got, okay? It will just automatically go into Photoshop. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.